Talking at National Youth Parliament in 2023, Divya Negi from Uttarakhand shares her views on India and its diverse culture and rich background, and the role it is playing in this new era.
Congratulations to you and me and each one of us, the vibrant voices of incredible India, for assuming the historic presidency of G20. And a heartiest welcome. Swagatam to the entire world in the land of multiple faiths and rich culture, in the land of ancient civilizations, and in the land of simplest yet bravest and brightest minds like you all here, my dear friends. Namaste. My name is Divya Negi, and today I'm representing Devbhoomi, Uttarakhand. And with all due permission of our respected judges, I would like to express my opinions on the topic India's G20 presidency, One Earth, One Family, One Future. From the COVID-19 pandemic, which continues to ravage the world, to big power rivalries, from ever-increasing belligerence of North Korea to China's assertiveness over Taiwan, and from debt trap policy to two of our neighbors, Sri Lanka and Pakistan, deeply plunging into political and economic crisis, respected judges, when the world is busy creating chaos for humanity, India comes forward with the message of Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam. The world is one family. And when we talk about one family, I believe that we need to know what having a family actually means. I'll tell you. Having a family means sharing knowledge and experiences. Having a family means collaborating and communicating. Having a family means helping each other and asking for help without hesitation. And having a family means standing together through tough times. And this family of ours, respected judges, has one home, our Mother Earth. And we all need to collectively come together to protect it, as the decisions of today will have a profound impact on the world of tomorrow, and that's how we all have a connected future. Under India's G20 presidency, with over 200 meetings that has to be held in the country, and which will result in cultural exchange, when the world will learn about the Ankiya Nat of Assam, when the world will learn about the Bhimbetka caves in Madhya Pradesh, when the world will learn about the Pochampalli Ikat of Telangana, and when the world will learn about the Eppan craft of Uttarakhand, the unity in diversity, Anekta Mein Ekta, which we all have always been proud of, will amaze the world. And not only this, it will result in the economic growth and an increased curiosity in the world to understand India more. Respected judges, India's G20 presidency is a presidency of hope. It gives us an opportunity to show the world who we truly are. It gives us an opportunity to show the world, to share our story with our own words, and it gives us an opportunity to tell the world and create a new paradigm, a new narrative of new India on the global stage. But let me tell you, when we talk about opportunity, we should remember that every opportunity comes with a greater responsibility. India's G20 presidency is not just about a mere diplomatic meeting, but it is a measure of world's trust in us. Today we have the youngest demographic dividend. Today we have the knowledge, skills, and mindset. What we need is to properly manage it in the right direction. And a new era is heralding, and I believe that the day is not far when the whole world will come with us and unanimously chant Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam. दुनिया हमको पहचानेगी एक दिन, ये है विश्वास हमें, अभी तो बस शुरुआत है कि लिखना है इतिहास हमें, अपनी तकदीर बदलने की ली हमने जिम्मेदारी है, कदम बढ़ाते चले आज हम, बस अब तो जीत हमारी है, अब तो जीत हमारी है. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, जय उत्तराखंड.